I need to get my nails done. My fingers feel weird. Look at the fingernail, the change damage my fingernail.
Are the best ever look?
Are the best them look?
They never look better than that yet. Are the best ever look?
I'm going to give my nails a break and do a
cut it off
manicure
and take out the files
and a pedicure. I'm going back to my natural state. Look at Uncle having a peaceful day. You're having a peaceful Friday at the end of a stressful work week. We ordered some seafood soup.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some.
I hope I did. Yay! I did it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
I'm at McMaster once again. Can I have this? Thank you. You gonna use it?
No, man.
Okay.
Okay, security. And do me a favor.
What's the favor?
So you have a combo code. Then leave that glass with me, please.
Do what?
Then leave that glass with me.
You don't say I have trouble. The lighting is not the best, right? But it's getting late. I'm home bored. I have a ride, so I got up and get myself cute. But I'm here on TikTok looking for places in Portmore to hang out, and I cannot find any for the love of God. And of course, certain places I'm not gonna go. You know what I mean? But I'm like, where do people go to hang out in Portmore? Maybe I need to go to Kingston. I'm just home feeling bored, and I'm like, I have a ride, right? The lighting is not good. Let me get some lighting going on. I have a ride, so why not get up, just put on something simple and go get some fresh air. But much better. Ooh, look at Shana, yay! Sorry for the bad lighting. Let me know places in Portmore to hang out, so next time I have a few spots to check out. I want to start doing outside things, you know what I mean? And I cannot find anywhere to hang out. I'm mostly finding places in Ochi, places in Mobay, places in Kingston. I've been inside all week-ish. All I went to was to get the plants. I went to grocery shopping. I went to run errands with Uncle, and that was it. It's like, no, I yeah, I have to start to go in places. I have to start doing things. You know what I mean? Because I do not want to fall into depression. That's not gonna happen. No, ma'am. But I cannot find anywhere for the love of God. See? Places to hang out in Kingston, Ochi, Mobe, Portland. Come on. Earlier, I was planning on going to the beach to just sit on the sand with a beverage, but I took a nap because I was tired. I think the heat and the sun is making me sleepy because I find myself taking naps throughout the day. I find myself taking naps like an old lady in the afternoon. Maybe I just have to go to Kingston. And I don't know Kingston, so maybe I would have to ask Uncle to come with me. And I just wanted to go somewhere by myself just to get some fresh air. I don't care where it is. Listen, I just called Leroy, right, to ask him if he knows anywhere where you come out of the other go so late. Yeah, I go. When you read the Bible and got your bed. I'm like, dude, I've been reading my Bible all week, okay? I said, I want to go outside and get some fresh air. I want you to go. So I said, who am I supposed to go with? Or soon come. Like, you're inviting yourself, bro. You're literally inviting yourself. Like, why are you inviting yourself? But I called him to invite him anyway, but, you know, Leroy is Leroy. Yeah. Because I might end up in Kingston. I found somewhere on TikTok. The place is Numbers Lounge in Independent City. Please comment down below if you know any like decent enough place that you think I might like or I would like, or places in Portmore or Kingston that you want me to try out or check or visit. I'll do that for y'all. Just comment down below some places and I'll go and visit. Okay? Every week I'll pick one place and I go there and see what the vibe is. Okay, so I just screenshot 2 places. I'm gonna check it out. It's gonna be here. It's like, all right, I'm soon come and put on some clothes and come. All right, okay. Invite yourself. No problem. But yeah, I'm just inside, bored. I cleaned it today. I went to the supermarket today. We're at Friday.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day.
I made it outside. Where about the Jesus? I'm not vlogging. I'm just saying I made it outside. Uncle's getting mad at me and I want the company because I'm bored. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay? Say hi, Uncle. Just if I say I'm gonna cut it off, say hi. Say, if I say good night, I'm gonna cut it off. Just say good night. Just say hi.
Hi.
Alright. Ever say hi, Lord.
Hi. Hi.
3 days later, I've been out of it. I wasn't feeling well for the past 3 days. My throat was hurting so bad. I have a bad sinus, right? It hasn't affected me for years. But since I've been here back in Jamaica with the dust, like sometimes you guys hear me complain that outside is so dusty, right? And because I'm used to, you know, the white light coming in an open space, I have to have my windows open. Where I live is very windy. In the daytime when the breeze is blowing, the fresh air coming through the window feels so good, but it comes with a lot of dust. Now I'm speaking to you guys, I can feel my throat burning. Yeah. Remember I said to you guys the last time I was speaking to you guys that I'm bored? That day I was cleaning. When I was sweeping, you could see the dirt on the floor. It looks like somebody opened the door and used a handful of dirt and just throw. It was so dusty. I went wrong to dust everywhere and, you know, clean everything by myself without wearing a mask. So everything went in my nostril, and having bad sinus, I was down for 3 days. But today I'm up. I feel much better. My throat is not that bad. So I'm going to run a few errands. I'm in the mood for a nice steam snapper. So I'm going outside to get some ingredients, some juice, water, snacks, and let's proceed.
Yeah, I'm bad in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.
Yeah, is it? Are you kidding me?
Ghost, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on. Oh, in a rise and boast.
One of my subscribers had guinea in one of her vlogs and my mouth was watery. So I'm gonna see if these guinea are good. I haven't had guinea in years, like over some 15 years I wanna say. I'm back home. I went to Kingston to get some stuff done and I did a little shopping. I wanted some seasoning to cook my steamed fish. I have pineapple. The pineapple is $200 per pound. As you know, Jamaican, everyone have their own prices. Some people have pineapple for $200, some people for $250. I have 2 dozen ackee. 1 dozen ackee is for $400, so I have 2 dozen. I got some sweet potato, $150 per pound. This is 3 pounds. I have some in the fridge. I don't know why I fall in love with sweet potato, but Jamaican sweet potato tea. I got a pound of carrot for my steamed fish. That's the only thing I'm gonna put carrots in. I don't really cook with carrots, so I got a pound of Irish for my curry chicken. I don't really like Irish potato. I got 2 pounds of tomato. Tomato is $150 per pound. I got some onions. Onion is $150 per pound as well. I also got some melon. Over here I have a lot of breadfruit. I got all these breadfruit for $1,000. They have like so many different prices. Some of them, it depending on the sizes. Some of the breadfruit are $300. Some is like $250. Some is like $150. So I got the biggest one. These are the biggest one they have. Each of these are $300, and the person gave me this one just because I bought 3. My throat is burning me. So I have 4 breadfruit. I'm gonna ask Uncle to roast them today or tomorrow. I realize every time I speak too long, I start coughing. But this is pretty much what I got. I'm going to make some snapper. I'm in the mood for for snapper today. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. I'm coughing. I'm coughing too much. I'll be back. Oh, my throat is hurting me. I'm gonna put these back in the bag so Leroy can take these home with him and he can roast them. Oh, I know this is my sinus acting up because I'm making this sound. Like just to scratch my throat. That's the sound I find myself making. I haven't made that sound in so many years. Like back when I was a teenager and a very young adult, like I used to make this sound every summer. Of course, sometimes when I'm back in the States and it's like pollen season, whenever there's springtime and the pollen is bad, my throat will itch me, but I don't make that sound. But my throat is burning me whenever I speak too long. I'm going to cut up some watermelon and pineapple and start on my snapper. My seasons are cut up. I have 2 potatoes over here to cut up as well. I have tomatoes, bell pepper, garlic, pimento, scotch bonnet pepper, onions, carrots, okra, thyme, and my snapper over here well seasoned and ready for the pot. I'm so excited. I'm going to also add pumpkin as well. I'm going to cut up these right here and start cooking. It's going to be delicious. I'm being a big kid. I went grocery shopping a couple days ago and I stumbled down the aisle where they have these juice and I saw these. The last time I had one of these is when my boy was a boy. And my boy is grown. So I'm having a delight juice. My favorite is the pineapple. I got 6. I got 3 fruit punch and 3 pineapple. The only thing though, the straw that they have, the paper straw, is disgusting. The straw gets so soft and saggy. But I love it. It's cool and refreshing. I used to put 2 of these Delight juice, 1 Capri Sun, 1 water in my Sun lunch pan with 2 snacks, or I would mix it sometime and put Delight and Swizzle, Capri Sun and Swizzle with water. This drink right here is bringing me back in my mommy days. When Shauna used to be a mom, yeah. Yesterday, when my throat wasn't feeling well, I had 2 of the pineapple with a Bigfoot and a tiger while I bench watch movie on Netflix. Uncle is on his way. We are going to Price Smart. I need some water, regular water, cran water, and some juice, some true juice. And I'm going to also see if I see any snacks that I like. The dust is killing me. I wish I had someone to do dishes for me. I have my meat board to wash, my pot, and while my fish is doing its thing, I am going to wash this little bit of stuff I have. So once I finish eating, all I have to wash is my fish plate. But dinner is going to be delicious. Ow, 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 ow. I miss having a dishwasher. Times like these, I miss my dishwasher. Please remember to subscribe, like the vlog, leave your respectful comments down below. Today when I was in town, I meet one of my subscribers. If you're here, Denise, hello girl, it was nice to meet you. I was so shocked when she said Shauna, but she said Shauna with like a question in her voice. You know that question like Shauna? And I look over, I'm like, ah. I was surprised to know that she made me out. I was a little bit shocked, to be honest. You know, that someone see me outside and, you know, recognized me. She was like, I was watching your vlogs last night. I was like, no way. She was like, yeah, you're doing good. Keep it up. I appreciate it. But guess what? She have never commented before. She's one of those silent viewers. She is subscribed, but she have never, you know, comment. So Denise, if you come across this vlog, it was nice to meet you in person. I love your warm energy. I saw her in Island Grill. Please to comment and say hi. You guys can say hi, Shauna. So if I run into you guys, you know, it's a familiar face because we do interact in the comment section. So don't be a silent watcher like Denise. Say hi, Shauna. How are you doing? Let's, you know, familiarize with each other in the comment section. If it's your first time coming across my beautiful round face where my throat is hurting me, my throat feel like it's going to burn me. Whenever I talk too long, my throat burns. I went inside the store in Woolworths and they have this eucalyptus sweetie for $40. I got 4 of those. I should have gotten 8 or 10 because I only have 1 leaf. And to be honest, it was helping me earlier. I don't know why I got 4. I should have gotten more. I'm here with my help. Mom was dropped. I took the curtains down from the window.
Me tell you, so when you drive me,
And I
the
washed
camera.
the curtains because I've been like... So I washed the curtains. The water from the curtains, you can tell from the dust. This is why I'm not a fan of curtain, because I just feel like curtains just, you know, just hold all the dirt.
Oh, blinds dirty too.
Blind, yeah.
They're like in a supermarket or something.
I need to get my nails done. My fingers feel weird. Look at the fingernail, the change damage my fingernail.
Are the best they ever look.
Are the best them look?
They never look better than that yet. Are the best they ever look.
I'm going to give my nails a break and do a
Cut it off
manicure
and take out the files.
and a pedicure. I'm going back to my natural state.
So, it's something that affect me in the supermarket.
I know the dirt affect your eye, the dust. We're at Sovereign. I'm going to
Run water like river.
the supermarket again. I'm going to get something for my throat. My throat is hurting me. I just feel for hot stuff. Since my throat is not feeling well, we can go digital, right?
No, we don't have the time.
And pay the internet bill.
I have to go to the work, man. I'm going to tell you, say, man, I left. Man, I want to go home.
We're already here.
If me know, say, you know, do your 6 o'clock appointment, did you say lock from 6 o'clock?
Here's the finish. Steam, snapper, and mash. The flavor of the pepper is perfect. The perfect amount of pepper. I wish you guys could taste the gravy. Good morning. Happy Thursday. It's breakfast time. I'm having coffee and some fruits for breakfast. Pineapple and watermelon. I'm waiting for the fruits to warm up a bit. I know I'm not the only person, but I don't enjoy cold fruits. I like my fruits to be at room temperature. My 2 top favorite fruits is pineapple and June plum. I was looking for June plums yesterday, didn't find any, but pineapple and June plum and watermelon, if you know, you know, a nice, juicy, sweet June plum with the right amount of salt. If you Jamaicans don't know. I'm gonna also get my hair perm today. I bought these yesterday at the store at Portmore Sovereign Mall. This is $750. They did not have a smaller one. It's going to take me a long time to finish this right here. But this is the bigger size for $750. This silicone mix right here was $900. I don't know when olive oil relaxer become $1,500 for this right here. For dinner, I'm going to have ackee and saltfish and breadfruit. Last night, Leroy took the breadfruit home to roast them. He did it this morning and have his breadfruit. So Leroy stay. I'm waiting for him to return with them so I can fry them. I'm going to have ackee and saltfish and fry breadfruit for dinner. It's going to be delicious. Yeah, teeth, my buckle. Trip on the plant, now, Leroy. Before you trip on the plant, tell you what up on the gravel. Thank you for the breadfruit. I appreciate it. Bye. Leroy just came and dropped off the breadfruit. It's such a donut and it smells so good. But tell me why Leroy wrapped the breadfruit in silk wrap after he put it in a Ziploc bag, as if I'm traveling with the breadfruit. Whenever I'm going back in the States, he always wrap the breadfruit this way. I just think it's a thing for him, you know, because it's so much breadfruit. Why would you wrap the breadfruit in silk wrap and you're literally leaving your home to bring me the breadfruit? It smells so good. What would I do though, Leroy? What would I have done? So this is all I got. Remember all that breadfruit I had yesterday? I had 4 breadfruits, 3 big one and 1 small one. I told him I want 2 of the biggest one. So this is what I got. Pretty sure him take a lot, but I appreciate it. So I'm going to separate this in 3 parcels. I just love seeing all the colors in the pots whenever I cut up seasoning. It's so pretty. I think I should have boiled more saltfish. The last time I made ackee and saltfish, I put way too much of saltfish in it. The saltfish was overpouring the ackee. Now I think this time around, I use a little less saltfish than I would like, because I do like saltfish. And there you have it. The dinner is ready once again. Comment down below and let me know if when you're frying ripe breadfruit, if you add salt. This is dinner. I can saltfish and fry breadfruit. All is missing right here. Can you guess? Guess what's missing? 2 nice slices of avocado would be perfect. But this is the my throat. But this is dinner. Just pop your one. Like sometimes you just can't park in peace.
Watch him, almost crashing out.
Follow the car.
How much time you coming?
Just follow the car. Go buy fish to the left. Go to the right of the car.
Why am I going to the right?
Because to the left is full. And up here, man. So you start looking for parking right now. So go with this right here. Not necessarily. But sometimes them always have car parking there. Elsha Beach, mash up. Yeah. Look at the seaweed. There's so many seaweed, there's no, what do you call it? No sun. I cannot believe it. There's people here though, a lot of people here. The breeze feels so nice and the water is splashing up on me on both sides. Oh my God. This is so relaxing just to hear the water hitting against the rocks and hear the wave coming in. It's so peaceful. I just love the ocean. Like whenever I come to water, it just does something to me. It's very calming and soothing. Love the ocean. God's creation. never ending. You can't see anything. All you're seeing is just the ocean. Look at Uncle having a peaceful day. You're having a peaceful Friday at the end of a stressful work week. We ordered some seafood soup. The breeze from the ocean. Listen, I was rocking my pixie cuts. Look what the breeze did to my hair. Oh my god. I'm disappointed. We need to come together and fix up Elsha Beach. All of us. All of us need to come together and do it. I love the fresh air. I love the breeze. One thing though, Jamaican as people, we're gonna come out and we're going to have a good time. The kids are out, the peoples are out. I'm on my evening walk. Every day I try to do 8k steps. For the past 4 days I haven't. Today I'm being intentional to complete 8k steps. Let's see if I can do it. So far I'm at 7,000 something, so it's gonna be easy for me to get to my 8k today. Today was a very productive day, I must say. I just finished watering my lawn and my flowers. Let's see if I made it to 8k steps. Let's see what I did so far. I hope I did. Yay! I did it. I did 8,210. See all that right there? Thank you, thank you, thank you.